doing a little too much, and that's okay. All right, so I'm about to unbox it. Hopefully it looks good. I'm gonna try it on too. So that's the only thing about buying stuff online, is like you never know. Like, mind you, I got this off of Etsy. Oh, it's already cute. It's already looking cute. Honey, it is giving. Oh, baby. Baby, I'm about to be so freaking cute. Wait, it's a 3-piece set? What does the card say? Hey, Marie. Thank you. You look gorgeous. Thank you. Y'all, it is so freaking cute. Oh my god. Okay, so what should I wear? Should I wear this at the Galentine's? And then I could put the little cover up. Oh my gosh, she did her big one. I can tie it tight, but like I said, I'm not going to do it too tight. Isn't it so freaking cute? How's it looking? It's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the pajama set, the bottom set, the 2-piece. I don't know. I like both of them. What do you think? It's so freaking cute. Got this, and it has a little. No, I kind of really like the first one though. Like, I mean, I like both of them. Don't get me wrong, but this 2-piece is actually what I bought for the Galentine's party.